Hey, it's Jess. I'm here for today's toxin reduction tip. We are keeping it simple with baking soda and vinegar. Check this out. Look how dirty our pressure cooker insert got. And then we put baking soda on it, let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then, like kitchen magic, it was spanking clean and shiny. In order to avoid the harmful chemicals that are in the majority of cleaning products, we like to just use the baking soda and vinegar when it comes to cleaning our sinks, our countertops, our showers, our pots and pans, even our jewelry. They are very powerful and really inexpensive, so keep them on hand. All right, so grab yourself about $3, head out to the store, grab your baking soda and vinegar, and you'll be set with your cleaning products for a year or more. If you liked this video, please click like below, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos. Here's to improving your health.